Scores of music lovers gathered at Couples Sanssouci in St. Mary over the weekend to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Issa Trust Foundation's For the Children concert, an evening of entertainment with a purpose, raising funds to support the Mary Issa Pediatric and Adolescent Health Center, set to open next year. E-Prime was at the event and gives you this report.
As a mother, I really endorse this and I'm here for it. One of the many reasons why I'm here as well. You know, it's very important and I really love the whole foundation and everything that it has to offer.
Anything of this nature for me it's amazing. It's near and dear to my heart. I think it's something that is needed a lot more from a lot of our corporate entities. I mean, us as Jamaicans, we can play our part by doing the very small things.
We've always heard about the initiative and, you know, being in the field, we've seen where the need for certain things. She was just saying, you know, that there's only one child psychiatrist in the public sector, and when we have people volunteering and donating to the cause, it's really a good effort. So I'm happy to be here and that's why I'm here.
They've been doing a great job and now they are building a new pediatric clinic, which is a very good endeavor and one that is worthy of the support of the nation.
Guests came in from near and far.
We're from Montego Bay. We have a full team, about 12 of us, drove down from Mobay today because this is a worthy cause.
Trinidad.
We're 5 minutes walk down the road. We're very close. So we couldn't have something like this in our neighborhood and not participate.
The evening opened with Voice Box. Tess Sanchin Crooks' Performing Arts group dressed in white and delivering a powerful performance.
You're not alone. You are gifted and you're so great.
It's very disheartening sometimes to watch the news and see that our children are constantly at risk or constantly making headlines. And that's why I think things like Voice Box Performing Arts is important because, you know, we have to remind Jamaica that, hey, this is the next generation. We got to start looking out for them.
Then came the main act, Leela Ike, stunning in green and delivering hit after hit.
I hope a situation like this, an event like this can remind people that it's okay to be kind. It's okay to give back. It's okay to cater to somebody, especially the next generation and the youth.
Patrons eagerly awaited the man of the evening, Shaggy, sharing some of their favorite tracks from the reggae icon.
Why you ask me that question? Of course it wasn't me.
I like Church Eden.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul.
He also surprised patrons with a cameo performance from Maxi Priest. The night ended with a call to action from patron Juliet Holness.
I encourage every Jamaican overseas, every visitor to our island to donate to the Issa Trust Foundation, particularly for this Mary Issa Pediatric Clinic.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.